Okay, you see all this broken glass, and then we're going to focus on that abandoned building, which is right there. So that's going to be the focus of this particular one, as well as what's around here. So let's get started. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are. There's our abandoned building, broken glass to protect. So it's kind of cool space too. So we're gonna focus on this particular one right here. And but before we do, I'm just going to show you a little bit. So that we have a hospital right here. So this is called something Janeiro, S. Janeiro Hospital. And then over here, we're kind of we're looking down on all these apartments. So this goes right up on a hillside, and you can overlook Macau. Another interesting thing is this is the Grand Lisboa Casino, the kind of funky one that is kind of a landmark for the city. But anyways, this particular one is going to be this tall abandoned building. And I did film here before, but each one is a little bit different each time you film, right? So it's kind of cool. You can see just from going into that. So it's kind of cool about these cameras. You can kind of stick it in places that you don't. So we're going to follow this broken glass. And there's the abandoned building. And kind of cool architecture right here too. More of our broken glass. So, and there's our abandoned apartment building. I wonder why it's abandoned. But this one looks nice. It's really cool. Got some really cool spaces here. So, okay, so this is our abandoned one. This is our bus coming up to probably to the hospital. And we got a temple right here too. Let's run across to the temple. It's closed today. And now we have our abandoned building. Then next door we have that kind of cool looking one that had some really nice little balconies there. And our abandoned one filled with a truck. How did that truck get up on that floor anyways? So this one looks like it's they're keeping it cleaned and maintained quite well, actually. You wonder why it's abandoned. And right here, I think it's a school, maybe? Lingnan Teaching Complex. Okay. So we're just gonna keep on going down. And there's a Lingnan Teaching Complex that overlooks this abandoned building. Looks like that. There's a truck up there. So, okay, let's see if we can cross the street, and then we'll follow this abandoned building as well. There it is right there. Pretty massive. So, the heck happened to that anyways? So anyways, and then there's a nice new apartment complex here. This is our old abandoned one right here with some kind of exotic fruits right there as well. Okay. So I guess we'll finish this one right here. Here's another angle of our abandoned Calçada do Gaia. Is the other cross street. So we had this cross street and this one, and there's our abandoned building, and we're just going to follow. You can also see kind of this beautiful view, so we're kind of going to okay, so here we are. So we're going to follow this street down, and there's our old abandoned building, so we're going to follow it down a little bit, and then you can also see the skyline straight ahead as well. Oops. And the skyline, you can see kind of the way that the city goes downward a little bit, goes downhill on this particular spot. So this is the other side of our abandoned building right there. Looks kind of cool looking. And okay, so we'll just follow it down a little bit, and then we're going to conclude with this one. But I wanted you to see this other side of it as well. So So yeah, there it is. It's kind of cool. That looks really amazing in this particular viewpoint. So yeah, I wish I knew the story about this one. So if you do know the story, let me know. It's kind of a cool little shot. A2 studio. So, okay. And we're gonna conclude this one, and we're just gonna walk down this one, and then we'll probably do a new video all together. So, all right, there you go.